Now this course, of course, focuses on ChatGPT, since it is the most popular AI chatbot. Though what you're going to learn in this course, the different techniques and tricks and approaches you will learn about, of course, will not just apply to ChatGPT, but instead will help you with any AI chatbot. For example, also with Google Bard, which would be an alternative to ChatGPT. Now, Bard is basically Google's answer to ChatGPT, though it's not publicly available yet, at least not at the point of time where I'm recording this video, though depending on which country you're living in, you can join a waitlist to start using Google Bard. Now, despite the limited availability of Google Bard, you will find many comparisons of Google Bard and ChatGPT, and it seems like ChatGPT is quite a bit better than Google Bard, at least in many situations, though ultimately that could of course change in the future, and as mentioned, this course here does teach you techniques you can use with any AI chatbot. For example, also with Bing Chat. Bing Chat is simply Microsoft's AI chatbot, though the interesting thing about Bing Chat is that under the hood, it's using the same AI models, the same technology, kind of, as ChatGPT does. And yet, it seems like ChatGPT still has an edge on Bing and often produces better responses. Nonetheless, Bing Chat, just like Google Bard, could be or could become an interesting alternative to ChatGPT. And unlike Google Bard, Bing Chat is already available to everyone, at least if you're using Microsoft's Edge browser. If you're using that and you're visiting bing.com, you can enter the chat area, log in with your Microsoft account, and get started with Bing Chat for free. You can ask it questions or, for example, tell it to generate content. And what's really nice about Bing Chat is that it will actually also include web search results in its content generation process and give you a response that uses data from those web search results. And in the response, it actually highlights which data or which parts of the response are coming from which web search result. And this can, of course, also be an interesting feature. And therefore, you got different options, though as mentioned before, ChatGPT is the most popular of all these options and does generate great responses. But as also mentioned before, no matter which option you choose or which option becomes the best option in a couple of months from now, the techniques, approaches, tricks, and concepts you're going to learn about in this course will apply no matter which AI chatbot you're using.